our birdwatching adventures have now brought us to Antelope Island. We went up to Park City. We went up to Snowbird, where apparently there isn't no damn birds, and down to the Jordan River. Now we find ourselves Antelope Island. We're all set up. Apparently, this is a real hot spot. When we talked to one of our experts on life, our friend Spoon would tell us there's a plethora of birds in this area. Hopefully we can get at least 5 or 6 clipped off the list. Might run into some bison who can be pretty aggressive, so you want to keep your distance. Apparently there's also porcupines, coyotes, and antelope roaming this beautiful area that you see before you right now. So, Antelope Island isn't apparently a place you want to go trekking around on foot. You know, you really want to, for the most part, if you're a designated little stop gazebo area, even be careful then, because you want to go out here on foot. You want to stay in your vehicle. We just saw a coyote cross the road, and he's in them bushes somewhere. You don't want to go trekking through there, just dinking around, spook one of those dogs. Wow.
Singing to each other, dude. There's so many birds over here. This is where all the birds are. See that shit?
Antelope Island.